Good afternoon, Gung Fani. And as I see from your application here that you are applying for barista. Yeah. Now I want you to tell me, yeah, about your work as a barista.
Okay, I want to introduce myself, especially my work as a barista. Okay, every day I wake up early to start my job as a barista at 6 a.m. and I arrive at the cafe and unlock the doors by 7 a.m. People work in cafes such as office workers, students, and some regular customers. While making coffee, I also keep the cafe clean, restock ingredients, and talk with my coworkers. In the afternoon, the the cafe becomes quieter and I can eat quickly. And being a barista is not just about making a coffee, it's also about teamwork and making people feel welcome. By 3 p.m., my shift is ends. I wipe down the table one last time and say goodbye to my team. For being for me, being a barista isn't just a job. It's part of who I am. And last time, for my weekends, I take relax and recharge, and I usually go to shopping and exploring nearby tourism sites. That's all for description for my work, and thank you.
All right, yeah. It's very good. Yeah. So you know well, yeah, your day-to-day work as a barista. Yeah. Once again, thank you, Yong.
Thank you very much, sir.